Hello guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial of Filmora basic video editing skills, we will learn how to use filter and color corrections in Filmora. In the previous video, we have learned how to alter the speed of video clips in Filmora. I will give the link in the description. Check out that video also. In the next video, we will learn how to create text-based slides in Filmora. Without any further waste of time, let's start the tutorial. For applying color correction or filters on videos, we must have a video clip here in the timeline or project area. What I will do, I will click on this. I already have downloaded some video clips. Let's begin with this one. I open it over here. Let's play it. I want to make some color corrections over here. I will double click over here. First of all, let me duplicate it. Press the right button. I can do it this in this way. Or what else I can do? I can bring this again over here. In both ways, I can have the duplicates. Let's apply color correction on this one. Double click over here. You will be having color correction tool. You will have this color option. Click over here. In this menu, you will be having color enhancement, white balance, tone. Let's start with color enhancement. Click on this and you have these two values you can change and see how it affects. And press. There is another way. If you don't want to use these buttons, if you don't want to do manually, you can go to advanced, and here you will be having some preset filters. You can apply any of it. Let's try this and save it as preset 1. Press OK. Okay, you can now see the difference. Let's have it. Have another copy here and fit that into a screen by clicking this small button. Zoom to fit timeline. Trim it. Let's apply some color correction here. Double click it. Now we try this one and you can observe the changes. Okay, now press on white balance. Change the white balance. You can play around it and find out the different styles. Now go to tone and increase the contrast, saturation, brightness. Press OK and let's play it. This is our original clip. In this clip we have applied preset filters, and in this last one clip we have applied color corrections. I hope you have enjoyed the video. Give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and share my channel. Also press the bell icon to get the notification timely so that you do not miss out any of the videos of this series. I will give the playlist link in the description. In the next video, we will learn how to create text-based slides in Filmora. See you in the next video. Till then, take care.